Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. We are now at Jachenau. We took a train from Munich to Lengeries and a bus from Lengeries to Jachenau, and from here we are hiking now. So just after 30 minutes of hike, you have this way towards the waterfall. After the waterfall, it took us approximately 2 hours to arrive at the hut, which was closed, so we had our food that we brought from home and headed towards the peak. The peak is hardly 30 minutes from the hut. We started from Jachenau, and after 800 meters of elevation gain and around 7 kilometers, we are on the peak, and here is the beautiful view. Now we are descending down the peak, and it's damn steep. So on the way back, we are descending now towards Kochel, amsee, and from there we will be taking our train back to Munich. The way down from the peak is where the T4 section starts. Look at this intelligent girl who does not want to fall down.
She does not want to fall down.